Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs a supported iOS version and the VPN profile or app is up to date. Once done, briefly toggle airplane mode to reset radios, then reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular so the network is fresh. Next, open the VPN app or Settings VPN to confirm your username, password, and server address are correct. Incorrect credentials are the most common silent failure, so re-enter them carefully. Once basic checks are done, adjust deeper settings to isolate the fault. Try a different VPN protocol if the app supports it: IKEV2, IPsec, OpenVPN, or WireGuard, because some networks block certain protocols. If problems persist, delete the VPN profile in Settings or uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted configs. Also make sure the app has permission to add VPN configurations and background app refresh is enabled so the connection can be. To finish, restart your iPhone to clear transient system issues, then try connecting to a different VPN server and, if possible, a different network to rule out ISP or router blocks. Verify your router's firewall and DNS settings. Some routers or carriers block VPN ports. If you still can't connect, enable diagnostic logging in the app or settings, note exact timestamps, and contact VPN support with those logs. They can interpret errors faster than guessing changes on the.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.